Welcome to Visa's vlog, a homemaker's diary. In this video, we will examine the play A Raisin in the Sun by Lorraine Hansberry. Lorraine Hansberry was a playwright and writer. She was the first American African female writer. Before going for the outline of the play A Raisin in the Sun, let us examine the important characters and their role in the play. First one is Walter Lee Younger. He is the husband of Ruth and the father of Travis, the young boy. Next one is Benita Younger. She is the sister of Walter Lee Younger. She is a student and she has many followers. Next one is Lena Younger. She is the mother of Walter Lee Younger and Benita Younger. In the play, she is mentioned as the mama. The next character is Ruth Younger. She is the wife of Walter Lee Younger and the mother of Travis. The next character is Travis Younger. He is the son of Walter Lee Younger and Ruth. The next character is Joseph Asagai. He is the lover of Benita and also a student of the university. Next one is George Murchison. He is the lover of Benita. The next character is Bobo. He is the friend of Walter. Willie Harris is also the friend of Walter Lee Younger. And the next character is Mr. Carl Linner. He is the messenger from Claiborne Park who insisted Mama not to come to Claiborne Park. Summary of the play A Raisin in the Sun. A Raisin in the Sun is a play by Lorraine Hansberry. The story tells of a black family's experiences in the Washington Park. It is the subdivision of Chicago. The play portrays a few weeks in the life of the Youngers, an African American family living on the south side of Chicago in the 1950s. The Youngers family attempts to better themselves with the insurance amount following the death of the father. It is the morning at the Youngers' apartment. Their house in Chicago has 2 bedrooms. One for Mama and Benita. The other room is for Ruth and Walter Lee. The name of Mama is Lena Younger. She is Walter and Benita's mother. She is religious, moral, and maternal. Mama wants to use her husband's insurance money to buy a house with the backyard to fulfill her dream for her family. Benita is the daughter of Mama. She is an attractive college student. She wants to use her father's insurance amount to continue her studies in medicine. She wants to prove her identity to be a doctor. Walter Lee is the son of Mama. He is a chauffeur, that is a taxi driver. Ruth is her daughter-in-law. Travis is the son of Walter Lee and Ruth. He sleeps in the living room. Mama, the granny of Travis, feels bad about it. She is sad for not providing separate room for him to play and study. Moreover, they have only one window in the house. The window is in the small kitchen. They share a bathroom in the hall with their neighbors. The furniture in the house is not in good condition. It shows the poor economic condition of the family. While Travis gets ready, Ruth and Walter talk in the kitchen. They do not seem happy. They keep mentioning about a check in their conversation. It is the check for the insurance amount after the death of Mr. Younger. Travis asks them for money. He is supposed to bring 50 cents to school. Ruth says that they do not have it. But Walter gives his traveling expense to Travis. Travis then leaves for school. Each of the adult members of the family has an idea as to what he or she would like to do with the insurance money which they claim after the death of Younger. Walter tells Ruth that he wants to use the check to invest in a liquor store with a few of his friends. Benita wants the money to continue her studies in medicine. Mama wants to invest the money in buying a new house in which Travis can play as he likes and can sit and study. Mama and Ruth begin to tease Benita about activities that she tries and quits. Joseph Asage and George Murchison are Benita's followers. Joseph Asage is a Nigerian student. Asage, as he is often called, is very proud of his African heritage. Benita hopes to learn about her African heritage from him. He eventually proposes marriage to Benita and hopes that she will return to Nigeria with him. George Murchison is a wealthy African American. Benita dislikes his willingness to submit to white culture and forget his African heritage. He challenges the thoughts and feelings of other black people through his arrogance and flair for intellectual competition. Youngers approve of George. Mama and Ruth argue that she should like George simply because he is rich. But Benita does not accept that. She gets angry when her mother and Ruth praise George because she thinks that he is shallow. While they talk, Ruth suddenly faints. Ruth discovers that she is pregnant and wants to abort the baby. It is a shocking news to Mama and Walter Lee. Yet, they accept the idea because of their financial crisis. Mama pays the advance amount to the house in Claiborne Park. Claiborne Park is the place which is full of white people. They do not want to have the blacks as their neighbors. So they sent Mr. Carl Linner as messenger to stop Mama's family to settle in Claiborne Park. Mama refuses the offer given to them. She and her family are ready to face whatever be the challenges in the new area. In the meantime, Walter gives his share as well as the share of Benita to Willie Harris to start the liquor store. He swindles all the money and escapes. Mama and the family feel so sad about the wrong decision taken by Walter Lee Younger. Yet, they are confident that they can succeed if they are together as a family. They move forward with the positive vibes. The title, A Raisin in the Sun, means the new hope and confidence of a family which struggled a lot. In the old apartment, Mama and her family do not have enough sunlight because they have only one window in the house. They have the hope that they will have more sunlight in their new house in Clybourne Park to boost up their confidence and hope in life. From the Youngers, a working class black family which struggles against economic hardships and racial prejudices in the society, in the play A Resin in the Sun by Lorraine Hansberry, we come to know that we should not fail to attain our dreams and we should give importance to family whatever the situation be. Thank you.